If you've been swimming for months and still feel slow, tired, or uncoordinated, it's not your stamina, it's your technique. And today, you're about to discover 4 insanely simple corrections that can make you faster in just one session. Stop swimming wrong, because today, you're about to learn 4 powerful technique upgrades that can instantly make you faster, smoother, and more confident in the water. Whether you're a beginner trying to survive a lap or someone who swims regularly but feels stuck, these tips will change how your body moves through the water from the very first session. Most swimmers don't realize it, but small technique mistakes add drag, waste energy, and make you feel exhausted way before you should. The goal of today's video is simple: help you swim smarter, not harder, so you glide through the water with less effort and far more speed. The first thing that instantly slows swimmers down is poor body alignment. When your hips sink, your legs drop, and your head is too high, you create a wall of resistance. Imagine pushing a board flat through the water. It moves smoothly, but tilt it even slightly, and resistance doubles. Your body works exactly the same way. To fix this, keep your head neutral, looking slightly downward, not forward. Let the back of your head break the surface while your spine stays long and straight. Your hips should float near the surface, supported by a strong core, not by kicking harder. Focus on becoming as horizontal as possible, almost like you're balancing on the water's surface. The moment your body becomes streamlined, you'll feel yourself glide forward with surprising ease. The second tip is about breathing the right way. Most swimmers struggle not because of bad endurance, but because they lift their head too high when breathing, breaking their rhythm and sinking their hips. Good breathing is rhythmic, smooth, and always connected to your stroke. Exhale underwater and inhale quickly to the side, keeping one goggle under the water and one goggle above it. This keeps your head low and prevents your body from twisting excessively. Think of your breath as part of the movement, not a break from it. When you breathe without disrupting your alignment, everything becomes easier. You stay afloat effortlessly, maintain your momentum, and your stroke stays balanced. Now let's talk about the third tip: efficient kicking. Many swimmers think kicking harder makes them faster, but in reality, kicking correctly is much more important. Excessive, frantic kicking actually burns energy without giving you meaningful speed. What you want is a steady, relaxed flutter kick coming from the hips, not the knees. Your legs should stay long with just a slight bend, and your toes should be pointed naturally. The kick's job isn't to power your entire swim, it's to stabilize your body and support your rotation. If your kick is too wide or too forceful, you create turbulence in the water and tire yourself much faster. Keep it narrow, fast, and light. Imagine your legs as a small motor, not a giant engine. The smoother the kick, the more your entire stroke flows. The fourth and final tip is mastering the pull, the part of your stroke that truly propels you. Many swimmers swipe downward instead of pulling backward, losing all of their power. A proper pull starts with an early catch. Your hand enters the water cleanly, extends forward, then bends at the elbow to catch the water like a paddle. From there, you pull straight back, not down, and finish strongly by pushing past your hip. Every pull should feel like you're grabbing the water and moving your body past your hand. Keep your fingertips slightly downward, your elbow high, and avoid crossing your midline. With a strong pull, you get more propulsion with less effort, making each stroke count. These 4 changes, body alignment, breathing, kicking, and pulling, are simple but extremely effective. When combined, they transform the way you move through the water, allowing you to swim faster with less energy. Instead of fighting the water, you learn to work with it. Instead of feeling tired halfway through your lap, you'll feel controlled and powerful. Try these tips in your next swim session and pay attention to how even small adjustments create instant improvements. If you're serious about becoming a stronger swimmer, these fundamentals are the key to unlocking real progress, one stroke at a time.